Hi, it seems like it's been a while, so I've decided to do an Uber mess test. Now, what you see in front of you is the contents of the lime and silver Dyson, which has been doing the upstairs for the past week. The downstairs Shark, which had a full bin, is there. And also the extra fluffy bits are from where I groomed Jake, my dog, much to his disgust because he hates being groomed. Now originally I was going to use a Dyson to do this, but it's got a cracked hose, so I'm going to leave that be until it's fixed, and decided to pull a Panasonic out that I don't think it's been out in a while. There it is, not the best of views. Super lightweight, it's a MC UG342. Now, I love my Panasonics. I only have two. I've tried to get more, but I always miss out on them, or they're too far away. My other one, which is a beige-ish colour cream, it's hidden behind the box, the Bissell box, which has become like a table. Here, I wonder if I can let you see and get the camera back in the same place afterwards. That's might be a feat. So, there you go. And there you see. So, originally this was put in to be a way to try to dull down the noise to do crunchy mess tests, so that we didn't have the machine noise and only had the things being sucked up noise. It didn't work. However, it has stayed because it's a nice table for my multi-way plug sockets, which I can turn each individual plug off. It has my Kirby hidden behind there, or one of my Kirby's, which has its hose out and does all the cleaning up afterwards. And there's the Panasonic, which you can't see much of, but it does have its hose out as well, because it gets used similarly. Behind me there's a head from a Kirby, a vac spin, a Shark. Down here we have the Hoover Turbo Light, we have the Tesco own brand. Over in that back corner you can see, I think that's Squeaks, one of the two belt eating machines. There's a Dyson that got a reprieve, the lovely Junior that Sam sent to me, and also my lucky screwdriver that Sam accidentally sent to me. Round here we have an Auric, we have a Junior, we have another Kirby box, we have a bag full of bags, more Kirby stuff, and more Kirby stuff, and lots of hosey things. And a magic eye, which you can pause and maybe see if you can see what's on it. Anyway, oh yeah, and I collect Monster High dolls and Hello Kitty because I'm sad. Anyway, so that brief unexpected tour. I will say that this is not all of the machines that I own. In the hall outside, let me see if I can remember what's out there. There's an Electrolux Super Turbo 2 or some mix of that up. There's a Charles. God, there's more out there and I can't recall. There's a Samsung. There's a Panasonic bagless. There's a Dyson ball. I'm definitely missing a couple that are in the hall. And there's another 3 in the back room that are old. And the Seabo, the Mila, Shark and Kirby are all downstairs. Well, another one of my Kirby's. There's another Kirby in the back room. At some point I will just do a Here's the Herd video. Oh yeah, and well, I don't think it it was seen in the video, there's a little Hoover Blaze canister hiding in the back corner here. Anyway, with that aside, it has been a while, so have a chat. Let's see how this handles this mess test, and hopefully I don't kill my Panasonic. Ready, steady, go! Just a pit stop to admire how well it's done. I mean, I can't stress just how much was piled up there. And this does it without even a second thought. Let's keep going. Well, welcome back. As you saw, it seemed to do a blowout, but I've had it apart. I can't see. Filter looks fine, bag looks fine. I've gave it a quick clean up. I can't see what the problem was, so we'll try again and see if it says to blow up again. Seemed to go okay. Now, what I normally do for my unscientific mess tests is check to see what's left now. Actually, I see something. I try to give a fair go to using the vacuums, and as controversial as it might be, I use the shark to show up anything that's missed. But I don't think I've done this justice after it's blowout, so I've another quick sweep. Myself. Question B, is it plugged in? And it is, but we have to do a little bit of jiggery pokery here because close quarters and the Panasonic lives on the other side of the room. I think the main problem with the Panasonic there was that I overwhelmed it, which was obvious. It was a bit of a torture test. And the bag's nearly full, but not full. The bag's not blown. Filter, for as much as all the crap came flying out of the filter, but the filter's fine. I think it was just too much at once. My bag that's nearly full. Oh, I can just add. I mean, I love my sharks. Really do. Oh, right. No, he's not going anywhere. Come on, buddy, you're meant to be lightweight. Oh, meant to swear. But I think you would too, faced with rest on that bugger. So yeah, the thing that I hate about sharks, both of them do this, and I'll show it. Can I show it? Maybe. So when you take that off, just show these cables here, if you've got the cables, oh, the filter needs cleaned. And you're going to put it back on, and the cables fall into this section here, which puts them in the way of the bin. Which is, I mean, it's not the end of the world, but it's really annoying. You end up trying to jam the bin on, not knowing why you can't jam the bin on. Oh. But anyway, a quick sip of juice. As you can see, the bin's empty on the shark. And what I'm going to do is a couple of runs over the carpet, and it's just to see what the Panasonic missed, if anything. Obviously you might disagree with the shark's ability to do this, but I have to use something with a see-through bin because otherwise we can't tell. Now I have been tempted to get a dirt meter, and there's one for sale for the carpet, but we'll see. Anyway, let's go on with this. probably enough. And I can see just from there that I've picked stuff up. Now compared to other tests that I've done, this is actually a fair amount, which is unusual for that machine. Now if I as you can see, we're not talking a huge amount. Just a small amount, but still. So with that small amount, we will collect using the carpet. Well, there we go, even a little showing for the zip brush from the Kirby. So, I hope you enjoyed this. It's been a bit of a mixture of things. A kind of half vlog, torture test, clean up. Hope it's made up for a lack of videos of late. And we'll be going away soon. So I'll take videos while there. Last time I went away, I took my shark with me. But this time we're going away, we're taking the cat with us. Which, I don't know how insane we are to be thinking of taking a cat and a dog on holiday with us. But we are. It might be the first and last time. We're giving it a bash. But because she's going, I probably can't fit a vacuum in with me. That and all I do vacuum are the rugs because it's all wood and flooring. So I'm as well just using the Henry they provide. Even though every time I've had to fix the Henry they provide. I don't think they ever clean them. Anyway, that's said and done. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please hit the like button. It helps out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Ring the bell if you want to see notifications for when I upload videos. And hopefully, after we're back from a holiday, I'm going to have a couple of projects in the go. I have 2 DC07s. One has a nice motor, one has a nice exterior. I'm hoping to merge the 2 into one good DC07 and one crap DC07. I also have the DC04 there. It's got scrubbed up for sale. And there was another thing. Oh yeah, we're going to start doing some carpet cleaning again with the Bissell, which I'm really looking forward to. Which I get to do in a row this year with the Bissell in front of me. Go being disabled. Anyway, that's it. I could blather on for ages. Take care everyone. I hope you have a nice weekend. Bye.